and try and remember maybe a performance task or a interesting project that you gave to a students, and try and remember that. Which one comes to your mind first? I want to hear from you in the chat कि आपके दिमाग में पहले क्या आता है.
Performance
Okay,
task,
newspaper,
activity,
performance
task,
task, the project
project.
work, activity. All right, all right, all right. Performance task. Okay, okay. Outcome. Okay, interesting, interesting. So I want you to now think कि अगर आपके दिमाग में ऐसा आ रहा है तो बच्चे के दिमाग में क्या आ रहा होगा. So what is a performance task? How many? Okay, give me a yes or no in the chat box. Do you know what a performance task is? Give me a yes or no. And this is also for the teachers teaching grade 9 to 12. My question to you also is: do you know what a performance task is? Okay, yes. I can see a lot of yeses. I want to hear from some teachers teaching grades 9 to 12. Do you know what a performance task is? Any volunteers from grades 9 to 12? If you can explain me what a performance task is, please raise your hand and unmute and share. Grades 9 to 12. Any volunteers, if you can explain me what a performance task is? Okay. Any volunteers
Jai
from
Hind, sir.
Samarpan? Yes, Shonali
This
ma'am.
is Shonali Sinha from DPS Varanasi. Sir,
Go for it.
assessment, it is a formative assessment. It can be in the form of question and answers. It can be in the form of small model making, or it can be in the form of the children can be allowed to sit in groups, discuss, and then write. And it can be a small summary kind of a thing. It is assessment. To me, it is assessment.
It is assessment. Okay, yes, it is assessment.
Thank you, sir.
I think Manisha ma'am also wanted to say something. Yes, Manisha ma'am, go for it.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. According to me, I think it is something that the students will be showing. It is an assessment, but it is not just a written assessment. It is something that the students will be showing or presentation, something that they are doing.
Okay. Yes, Sri Vidya ma'am.
Good evening, sir. According to me, it is based on whatever they have learned. For example, in theme 1, we have completed 3 chapters. So whatever is their learning and understanding based on that chapter, they are enacting, because I'm an English teacher, so they are enacting in a form of a role play, maybe presenting by way of poster. According to me, that is what my understanding is.
Okay. All right. I think Bhavna ma'am had her hand raised. Bhavna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Jai Hind, sir. It is a difference between understanding and actual doing the things. Real life application based performance task. So whatever the students are learning and trying to understand, if they are going to apply the same thing in future real world.
Okay, great. Yes, Richa ma'am.
Namaste, sir. What I feel performance task is applying the learned knowledge into real life. What they have learned as
Okay.
theory into real life, and where they create
Okay.
something or solve some like real life situation based problems. Or they
Okay.
create a
Interesting.
new story or a presentation or a model, or they solve some problem using the concepts learned.
So applying knowledge into real life
Real life.
situation. So उसको understanding by design की लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसफर बोलते हैं कि बच्चा नॉलेज को ट्रांसफर कर पा रहा है और रियल लाइफ में उसको अप्लाई कर पा रहा है, राइट? इट्स कॉल्ड ट्रांसफर ऑफ लर्निंग. Brilliant. Thank you everybody for participating actively. You can lower your hand and I'll come back and ask many questions throughout this discussion. Okay. So I want you to read the question now and tell me that in the chat box that does this question require transfer of learning? ये जो सवाल है, does this require transfer of learning? Give me a yes or no. Okay. A lot of yeses. Okay. A few no's. Okay. I want to hear from Gina. Gina, why do you say no?
Sir, basically, if the child knows the formula, he can just easily calculate the area of the room and then give the same dimension for the carpet. So it's just applying. Yeah, he is doing applying. He is applying the formula and solving the problem. That's it. But then in real life, this is not how it happens. They don't get a square room with the exact dimension. So if you have to floor a carpet, it could be having, certain area that doesn't require the carpet to cover. So there is a lot of calculations, which maybe it's not, as when we give dimensions, it's more like, it's a square room, rectangle room. You know that it is, I'm not sure about the formula. Apply the formula,
Right.
find the area, just find, the measurement. That's it. There is nothing
Right.
more than just applying the formula happening
All
there.
right. Yes, Jaya ma'am.
Yes, sir. So this is absolutely application, and like I agree with Ms. Gina that they can do it simply by applying it the formula. However, what I feel in order to transfer, it should not just only involve calculation, but it should involve some analysis, evaluating, making a final decision, make a reasoned decision why we are, in a given real situation, why and what I should do, not just solve using a formula, but in real life, how to analyze, evaluate, judge what to go for, whether to go for it or not, and so on.
Brilliant. Great. Yes, Nupur, you want to share something?
Hello, good evening, sir. So, according to me, I found that this question was much more of recapitulation of knowledge, where they got certain information and they had to just, apply it. But if I have to
Okay.
transfer it in the form of real life learning, it could have been design a room and something like that. So, this is what I believe. Like, it was much more of knowledge based rather than application based.
Okay. I also got a lot of yeses. So would somebody from the yes group also share what their thinking is? Any Pritika ma'am, Shruti ma'am, any thoughts? Sherin ma'am, Sherin Joseph, Shreyasi ma'am, Shweta ma'am, any thoughts? Why do you think this is this requires transfer? Yes, Bhavna ma'am.
Sir, what I feel, sometimes some calculation, some process will give or they will improve the habit into your brain as well. मतलब हर बार हम ये सोच के चलते हैं कि ये रिलेवेंट और ये सारी चीजें, बट कभी कभी अगर हम बच्चों की तरफ से देखे हैं तो कुछ हैबिट्स उनमें इनकलकेट करना भी जरूरी होता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द बेसिक थिंग. अनटिल एंड अनलेस दे विल लर्न समथिंग हाउ टू डू दैट. तो हर बार हम रियल लाइफ की तरफ देखने के बजाय कभी कभी प्रोसेस होने के लिए, उनकी ब्रेन को ट्रेन करने के लिए, क्योंकि हर बच्चा अलग है, तो उसके लिए भी, उसके हिसाब से सोचने के लिए भी हमें ये बेसिक चीजें जरूरी होती है.
Got it. Yes, Shreyasi ma'am.
Namaste, sir, and everyone. I have written or given yes because though understanding is quite basic in the taxonomy ladder, but it is imperative without which probably the child will not be able to solve. So to understand whether the child will be able to transfer further A teacher needs to develop this kind of skills so that the base is created, or rather the teacher
Okay.
understands whether I can build on it or not.
Okay, interesting. Yes, yes, Priti.
Yes, sir. Good evening,
Smriti
sir.
ma'am.
Sir, yes, sir. Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, Smriti ma'am, you are audible.
Sir, in my point of view, I could say that it is partially, we can say it is transferable, because here in this task, we are assessing application. So if we talk about Bloom's taxonomy, if we connect that also, so sometimes we need to start from the beginning. So here we are assessing application, and slowly and gradually we move towards the levels. So this is how we can transfer the knowledge to our students.
Okay, okay, okay. Gina, I'm going to come back to you afterwards. Okay. So to the discussion before, question was, is that a task for transfer? My question was not that is this a good question or not, right? That question was a great question, but my question was that was it a task that requires transfer? Okay, and in that performance, in that task, if you see, all the information was given. There is one right answer to the question, right? And student, if they know the formula, they can apply it, and it stops there. That is not a performance task. Okay, what is the purpose of a performance task? We must understand that the purpose of a performance task is that it is an assessment. It is an assessment कि बच्चा जो नॉलेज सीखा है उसको एक नए कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, रियल वर्ल्ड कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उसको अप्लाई कर सकता है कि नहीं. So for example, if the child learn the concept of area, वो लाइफ में जब 40 साल बाद अपना घर बनाएगा, उसमें कारपेटिंग करेगा, तो कैन ही अप्लाई द नॉलेज ऑफ एरिया इनटू कारपेटिंग, इनटू बाइंग अ कारपेट, राइट? दैट इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ लर्निंग. That is a good performance task. That is the purpose of performance task, to assess transfer. That was a great question. अगर हम formula application check कर रहे हैं, that's a very good question, and that question is also important. But if you are checking for transfer, then you need a good performance task, and a good performance task will not give out every information. अब जब आप घर में अगर आपको कारपेट लगाना है, तो आपके पास ये होता है क्या इंफॉर्मेशन की कारपेट का कॉस्ट कितना है? नहीं, आपको निकालना पड़ता है 2 लोगों से, 4 लोगों से बात करके, राइट? अगर 2-3 लोग अलग अलग लोग कारपेट खरीदेंगे, सो भावना कार जाके अपने घर में कारपेट खरीदेगी, आरती अपने घर में कारपेट खरीदेगी, जया मैम घर में कारपेट खरीदेंगे, तो सबका कॉस्ट सेम आएगा क्या? नहीं,
No.
क्योंकि
No, sir.
भावना के रीजंस ऑफ परचेजिंग अ कारपेट विल बी डिफरेंट. शी माइट नीड समथिंग मोर एस्थेटिक, आरती माइट नीड समथिंग जो ज्यादा कुशन्ड हो, जया मैम माइट नीड समथिंग which is there's more fur in that carpet, right? So everybody has a different evaluating criteria for the carpet, and everybody is right. Is there anybody wrong? No, everybody is right. So that's why it needs to have multiple, it should have a possibility to have multiple answers. That's a good question. That's a good performance task. For transfer to happen, 3 चीजें होनी बहुत जरूरी है. बच्चे को नॉलेज होनी चाहिए फॉर्मूला की, कंटेंट की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. बच्चा शुड बी एबल टू हैव द स्किल कि भाई कौन सा फॉर्मूला कहाँ लगना है, उसको वो स्किल होनी चाहिए, वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन होना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड, द चाइल्ड शुड बी एबल टू टेक अ रोल ऑफ architect or an interior designer and then think like that, right? So or a owner of the house who's going to buy a, so the child should be able to negotiate with the contractor, should be able to maximize on quality, reduce on cost, and then justify that decision कि भाई मेरे लिए ये 100 options है carpet के, उसमें से ये carpet क्यों मेरे लिए suitable है. I should be able to justify that decision. That attitude is needed if I have to buy a carpet, right? So बहुत बार आप देखोगे कि बच्चे परफॉर्मेंस टास्क करके आगे चले जाते हैं, उन्होंने कॉन्सेप्ट पूरी तरीके से समझा भी नहीं है, बट क्योंकि उनको फॉर्मूला पता है इसलिए वो आगे चले जाते हैं, और बाद में जाकर के वो स्ट्रगल करेंगे, क्योंकि बाद में अगर ऐसा कोई डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन आता है, दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यहाँ पे एरिया निकालना है कि कुछ और करना है. They are not able to understand, right? And that is why a lot of people later in life feel कि भाई एरिया पढ़ने का जरूरत क्या था, right? Because they've not understood that कि भाई where is it going to be used in a real life. That is where the relevance comes in for 4 hours, right? That is where we build relevance. So very very important कि हम इसको किस तरीके से ले रहे हैं, right? Now just look at this question. Okay, let's not look at this question. Let's change this a little bit. अगर आपको ये question को, I want you to think a little bit. If you have to make this a more transferable task, what will you do? इस question को आप कैसे reframe करोगे कि genuinely transfer होगा? I would love for you to take a minute, think about it, put your comment in the chat, and let's discuss this कि अगर इसको genuine हमें transfer के लिए एक अच्छा performance task बनाना है, what would it look like? Did you get my question? Give me a thumbs up if you got my question. Okay, great. Yeah, I'm waiting for the responses. Think about it, and I'm looking for chats. I'm also looking, so we have about 273 people, so the chat should get flooded. I don't want spectators who are just listening to this. I want you to think, and I want you to put your performance task in this. अगर आपका performance task chat में नहीं आया तो मैं पक्का आपका नाम बुलाने वाला हूं और आपसे पूछने वाला हूं. राइट अगर आपको चैट में नहीं आता है रिस्पॉन्स, आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल योर नेम. Suvarna ma'am, you want to say something? Please do not discuss your question right now. Yeah, if there's something else, go for it. Otherwise, please put your question in the chat.
Sir, actually, recently we did renovation. The way you are discussing, so we just included our son into that. Like there was like color, like
Okay.
painter was there. So bedroom we have discussed that different color should be there, but the cost was different for the bedroom. And he has like discussed as you were discussing ki if color is different, cost will be different according to the area. Then we included him into the same. So how we are going to calculate whether it is okay or not. And then same we have asked him, because last year he got performance task to make a floor plan of house. So while designing and while discussing with interior designer also, so like the question can be like this, ki if you have wooden flooring for particular room, so what will be the cost, how we are going to add it into the total cost, if kitchen. Yeah, sure sir.
Can you put your question in the chat? Sorry, I have to interrupt you. Okay, Jaya ma'am, I like your question. Smriti, can we not give that the contractor charges 450 rupees? Is it important to give? Can the child not find that out? Can we bring in a contractor in the class and maybe the children ask the pricing and negotiate with him? Is that possible?
Yes, sir.
Komal ma'am, I really like the idea of the budget. Even I think Smriti put in that, you have a budget of this. This is a very good idea. This is an actual real situation where children get a budget. You have a budget if you have to buy a carpet, right? So you have a limitation of a budget. You can't just go berserk and buy anything. ओके, किसका नहीं आया है रिस्पॉन्स, उससे पूछते हैं। अजय सिंह सर।
हेलो, जय हिंद सर।
अजय सिंह सर, आप बताओगे
हेलो।
क्या आपने सोचा, क्या क्वेश्चन हो सकता है?
उसको सर बहुत तरीके से ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को, ताकि बच्चा उसमें रियल एप्लीकेशन लगा सके। हम लोग डायरेक्ट उसको पूरा कॉस्ट बता सकते हैं और उसको बोल सकते हैं कि इतना एरिया है। तो क्योंकि हम जब चीजें खरीदने जाते हैं, जब कारपेट खरीदने जाते हैं, तो उसका लेंथ कितना होगा, ऐसे करके क्वेश्चन को ट्विस्ट करा सकते हैं। और मतलब इसमें बहुत तरीके से क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर सकते हैं, ताकि सिर्फ डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला ना यूज करके वो कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज करें। मैक्सिमम चीजें हम बच्चों को नहीं बताएं, मिनिमम चीजें उनको बताएं और मैक्सिमम चीज उनसे खुद सॉल्व करवाएं, तो ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा।
ओके, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि हम इस टाइप के मतलब फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स, अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि भाई क्या हम हर बार हम कोई क्वेश्चन करा रहे हैं तो क्या हम कारपेट वेंडर को बुला सकते हैं क्या क्लास में? तो दिस इज नॉट अबाउट एवरी टाइम यू डू अ क्वेश्चन. This I am only discussing about when we do a performance task, right? This is not about every question that you ask in class. ठीक है? So do not think about that if that is something that is coming to your mind. आगे चलते हैं. Thank you अजय सर. आगे चलते हैं. So if you look at something like this, you are advising a family renovating their home. They want to know how much to budget for flooring. The house plan is attached. Give them a house plan. And what do you recommend and why? Right? So something like that. I saw a lot of you putting up something like this, right? Renovating a house. And so here you see no numbers are given. The child has to find that out, right? The child has to take a स्टैंडिंग बाय डिजाइन वाला आपने प्रोग्राम किया है, उसका कैप्सूल किया है, तो आप देखोगे उसमें कि देयर आर 6 फैसेट्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. उसमें एक फैसेट होता है पर्सपेक्टिव लेना, अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचना. सो यहाँ पे बच्चे को पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचना पड़ेगा एज समबडी हु इज एडवाइजिंग अ फैमिली, राइट? तो उसका एडवाइजर का पर्सपेक्टिव लेना होगा. उसको ये सोचना होगा कि भाई एज अ फैमिली का जो हेड है वो क्या सोच रहा है यहाँ पे. सो यू हैव टू टेक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स इन दैट सेम सिचुएशन. दैट इज अ ट्रांसफर टास्क. जब इसमें एक बच्चा बहुत सारी चीजों को ढूंढ करके फिर एक्चुअली उसको फाइंड करेगा. यस, स्कैफोल्डिंग शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. जैसा जया मैम बोल रहे हैं, स्कैफोल्डिंग शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. यू कैन एक्चुअली You gives a lot of scaffolding. बहुत सारा सपोर्ट आप दे सकते हो रूब्रिक के थ्रू. इस टास्क को आपने दिया और इसमें क्या रूब्रिक दिया, रूब्रिक के थ्रू आप बहुत सारा सपोर्ट दे सकते हो. और जो बच्चे फंस जाएं उनको डेफिनेटली थोड़े हिंट्स और नजेस दे सकते हो आप, right? But let us not solve everything and give them everything on platter, ताकि वो बस एक formula लगाएं और उनको आंसर आ जाए, right? That is not what a performance task looks like. That is a task that is a question that you do in the classroom, great. That is a question that you give for homework, brilliant. That is a question that sometimes we ask in the exam, that's also okay. But the purpose of a performance task is for transfer. We must understand कि transfer करना, and we only do a performance task at the end of a theme or a unit, right? So very, very important that transfer can happen by the end of that theme or unit. Okay. Now this is one of the performance tasks that we currently do in grade 1. I think grade 1 English teachers, grade 1 mother teachers can say this, right? The student is a storyteller. Each student receives 4 to 5 pictures depicting different parts of a school day. Morning assembly, classroom, and so on and so forth. Grade 1 teachers, can you give me a thumbs up if this is a performance task? Okay, great. They arrange the pictures in order and tell a short story using simple sentences. Right? Now you look at this, you are checking for knowledge here, right? Student knows sequencing words. You are able to, do skills. Student arranges pictures in chronological order, but you are not allowing them to practice the right attitude because you've already selected 4 to 5 pictures. And I understand that some of you might feel कि भाई सिद्धार्थ मेरे बच्चे इतने रेडी नहीं है, अगर मैं वो 4-5 पिक्चर नहीं दूंगी क्लास में तो वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. I fully hear you. But in your class of 30, there are at least 10 kids जिनको आप पिक्चर दे करके डिससर्विस कर रहे हो. So differentiate this. जो बच्चे नहीं कर पा रहे उनको पिक्चर दो, 100% दो. जो कर पा रहे, at least let them struggle a little bit without the picture. Let them struggle for 10 minutes without the picture. Then give the picture. The struggle is very, very important because without the struggle, it is very easy for them. Let them struggle for 10 minutes at least. Right? Remove that picture. Give only the theme. Give them just a theme and let them struggle a little bit. उसके बाद जो बच्चा नहीं कर पा रहा उसको आप पिक्चर्स दो ना, 100% दो. This will allow for transfer of learning. इससे क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे मे बी सेकेंड परफॉर्मेंस टास्क में, मे बी थर्ड परफॉर्मेंस टास्क में वो थोड़ा थोड़ा वो मसल को डेवलप करेंगे. और अगर आप पहले ही हैंड ओवर कर दोगे तो फिर वो मसल कभी भी डेवलप नहीं होगा. राइट? I want you to see a good performance task, especially grade 9 to 12th teachers. अभी तक हम grade 8 performance task करते आए हैं. 9 to 12 teachers, we've never done performance task, and I want you to read this. Okay, any history teacher grade 10th, can you read this performance task for me? Any history teacher on call, if you can read performance task for me. Okay, we are waiting. Let's see who all is there. Any history teacher teaching grades 8, 9, 10?
Yes, sir. May I?
Someone else? Anyone from Varanasi? Varanasi history? Jagruti ma'am, would you like to read this?
Sorry, sir. May I get the question again?
It is on the screen.
If you can.
Can I read it?
Let Jagruti ma'am read it. Jagruti ma'am, would you want me to allow somebody else to read this, or are you reading?
Yeah, because I'm using mobile and I'm finding it difficult, sir. Just a second.
Okay. Priyanka ma'am, would you like to read?
Sure, sir. I'll read out. Your district municipality wants to install heritage plaques at 5 locations connected to the freedom movement, but has budget for only 5 of 12 candidate sites. You are part of a 3-person heritage committee. Select 5 sites, justify each selection using historical evidence, and write the 80 words plaque text for one of them, written for an ordinary citizen walking past, not for a historian.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. So when we do something like this, it also I've also put up the learning outcomes of CBSE that that discovers, right, analyzes how national identity was built across diverse regional and social groups, describes local community participation beyond national leadership, evaluates historical significance using evidence, not name recognition. All of this we actually achieve just through content by the textbook, right? But a lot of times it's very difficult for children to apply that learning in a real world context. उनको समझ में नहीं आता real world context इसका कहाँ apply होगा, right? Because they are only reading history and history becomes super boring for them because of this. So if you do a performance task like this, it allows for them to do a lot of research in their local context. उनको अपने city में जाके, उनको अपने colony में जाके research करना है, लोगों से बात करनी है, and then they have to make a decision, right? History immediately will become alive for them if we are able to do something like this. Anybody teaching economics? Anyone teaching economics? Yes, Reshmi
Yes, sir.
ma'am.
So,
You're reading the
Okay, I'll read. Yeah, you are a young economist joining a district planning committee. The committee has funding for exactly one intervention: a government school, a rural health clinic, or a microfinance program for women entrepreneurs. Using real data, NFHS, census, UNICEF, build the case for your recommendation. Present in 7 minutes, you will be questioned.
Yeah, again, if you see, you're actually achieving a lot of CBSE outcomes by understanding multi-dimensional nature of poverty and human development. This is a chapter, right?
Grade 12.
There is evaluates trade-off between competing development priorities. There's apply statistical concepts to real-world data, and right. So when we do something like this, you actually do not have to teach the chapters. You only give this task to students. They will study the chapters, they will do their research, and they will come and prepare and present, right? So the study of economics becomes meaningful to them, because if you actually talk to children in your school, they are super excited for an MUN. And you know why they are excited for an MUN? Because they are applying their learning to debate. They are excited for an Adalat. You know why they're excited for Adalat? Because they're applying that learning, that by reading a lot of cases, law cases, they're applying that learning after reading, and then they are debating on that. That is why they are excited, right? So especially grade 9th and 12th, I think this question might come to you कि भाई अगर हम ये कराएंगे तो बोर्ड्स का क्या होगा? आप लोग बोल रहे हो कि बोर्ड में भी हमें अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो आपके एक्चुअल में क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे रहते हैं जो पढ़ करके बैठे हुए होते हैं आपके क्लास में, और वो आपके क्लास को आगे जाने नहीं देते, या जो कमजोर बच्चे उनको समझने भी नहीं देते. सो व्हाट वी कैन एक्चुअली डू इज एटलीस्ट वो 10 बच्चे जो टॉप 10 बच्चे हैं उनको हम परफॉर्मेंस टास्क दे सकते हैं ऐसा, राइट? अगर हम पूरी क्लास को नहीं भी दे सकते हैं तो एटलीस्ट जो टॉप 10 बच्चे हैं जो एनीवेज 90-95% स्कोर कर रहे हैं, कैन वी गिव देम दोज परफॉर्मेंस टास्क्स? और जब वो बच्चा परफॉर्मेंस टास्क करेगा तो उससे उसकी लर्निंग बहुत स्ट्रांग होगी. और आपके जो कमजोर बच्चे हैं ना, दे विल ऑल्सो आस्क यू कि मैम मैं भी ऐसे पढ़ करके कोशिश करता हूँ, राइट? एंड उससे दे विल वांट टू लर्न, व्हिच इज नॉट हैपनिंग क्लियरली, राइट, in a lot of our classes right now, because they're only learning, they don't find relevance in learning because they're only learning for the purpose of the exam, right? So what अभी हम currently grade 8th तक हम performance task पे काम करते हैं. Grade 9th and 12th is only and only exam preparation, right? What I am keen कि क्या our grade 9 to 12 learning champions, can we start doing one odd performance task in our subject at least once in a term, right? I gave you some examples in above, and I feel that if we are able to bring that into the class, it will really bring children alive. बहुत बार आई एम विजिटिंग आवर कैंपसेस और मैं देखता हूँ कि जो सीनियर स्कूल के बच्चे, उनसे जब बात करो तो if you ask them this question, what is exciting in school, they will either talk about games, they will either talk about a festival that is being celebrated, they will talk about some student council elections if they are being done. I have not heard of children who are excited about economics, who are excited about business studies, who are excited about accounts, who are excited about physics, who are excited about chemistry. I haven't heard that. And I think why we haven't heard that is because we are not pushing them enough. Children love challenge. Everybody loves a challenge, right? And I'm saying do not challenge those जिनको board exam में number लाने की difficulty है. Don't challenge them. बट चैलेंज एटलीस्ट दोज जिसको आपको पता है कि हु आर डूइंग, जो आपके नहीं पढ़ाने से भी वो 90-95 लाएंगे. ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं आपके क्लास में. लेट्स चैलेंज देम एटलीस्ट. Okay, so this is for the next 20 minutes. This is a task that I have for you. Especially grades K to 8, छोटे बच्चों के जो टीचर्स हैं. Okay, I don't know अगर हम प्री प्राइमरी परफॉर्मेंस टास्क कर रहे हैं, नॉट श्योर, राइट? बट अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं, आई वॉन्ट यू टू पिक अप वन कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू मेक अ परफॉर्मेंस टास्क फॉर ग्रेड्स K to 8. व्हाट आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू इज आप अपना कोई भी एक परफॉर्मेंस टास्क उठाइए जो आपके पास अभी है, या आप नेक्स्ट मंथ, नेक्स्ट वीक, नेक्स्ट 15 डेज में करने वाले हो. पिक दैट अप, ओके? रन इट थ्रू कि क्या नॉलेज टेस्ट हो रहा है, क्या स्किल टेस्ट हो रहा है, क्या एटीट्यूड भी टेस्ट हो रहा है. रन इट थ्रू दैट, चेक, ओके? एंड देन अगर उसमें से कोई कुछ मिसिंग है, then I want you to tweak it a little bit. Don't change it fully, but make some small change so that all 3 levels are being met. And for grades 9 to 12, I want you to, जो भी आप next chapter, कोई भी जो भी next concept आप पढ़ा रहे हो, I want you to go to an AI tool. Okay, go to an AI tool and say that this is what I am teaching in the next 15 days or in the next 1 month. Help me make a performance task as per understanding by design. Okay, and I want you to come back and put that in the chat box and we will discuss. Is that okay? Give me a thumbs up if you understood that. Okay. For that chapter, for that concept, अगर आप 9 to 12 के टीचर हो, आप CBSE लर्निंग आउटकम भी डाल सकते हो. वो भी आपको AI दे देगा for that chapter, अगर आपके पास readily available नहीं है तो. ठीक है? Everybody here knows how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Anybody here who does not know using an AI tool? Okay, I'm hoping this thumbs up is for कि भाई हम सबको आता है कुछ ना कुछ AI use करना. Yes, Aarti says use GRASPs, GRASPS. Use that. That is a great way of making a good performance task. You can put in that help, use GRASPs to make the performance task. Okay, so right now we are at 5:42. So I'm not giving you 20 minutes, but I'm giving you 10 minutes. Okay. So 5:52, we come back and discuss. Okay. You have 10 minutes in between. Agar किसी का जल्दी हो जाता है, feel free to put that in the chat and we will discuss. And जो नहीं डालेगा उसको तो मैं पक्का उसमें से एक पर्सन को कॉल आउट करने वाला हूं. So please make sure that you do this. Thank you, Smriti, for having your camera on. अगर और भी लोगों के कैमरा ऑन है तो आई एम रियली सॉरी, मुझे और किसी का कैमरा ऑन अभी नहीं दिख रहा है. थैंक यू रेशमी मैम. Thank you, Shreyasi, Robin, Swarali. Pallavi Landge, ma'am, thank you. Thank you for having your camera on.
Sir, is it okay if I share a Padlet where all the members can post their performance
think
tasks
that's
so
a
that
good idea.
we may
Yeah.
pick up later some of the performance tasks from there?
That's a good idea. Yes, that's
Okay,
good.
okay. I'm just sharing. Smriti ma'am, please choose Chetna and add the class for which you have made class subject and the performance task in the Padlet. So there is one which is there posted now, but do not miss out to write your name. Please mention your name there.
Okay, Rajshri ma'am, would you like to talk about your performance task that you've shared? What
Yes,
are you
sir.
going to be teaching? What are you going to be teaching, and why have you picked this up?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. So this is what we are going to teach in grade 9, Winds of Change. So it's basically it talks about how the heritage of hand fans has been diminishing since long. So it talks about the various geographical locations and the fans that were being used previously. So say for example, if it is Gujarat, mirror work, bead work, because those materials are easily available in that geographical location. And so we can ask students to the product would be that they have to either make an advertisement script for and they can present for 1 minute, or probably they can also get in touch with the local artisans as well to understand if they want to know about what is the traditional heritage or cultural heritage of Nasik in this line. So if we want to make it very
Interesting.
geographical specific in Nasik only, because it might be difficult for us to take them to the right places as well.
Yeah. Very interesting.
Thank you.
In the end, I would also just like to add here that explain your thinking of why did you choose exactly this. That explain your thinking will allow you as a teacher to understand whether the child put in the right amount of effort or no. Because अगर उसने उसके बिना ही बना दिया तो वो कैंपेन तो बना देगा, बट आपको उसकी थिंकिंग नहीं समझ में आएगी. सो यू डोंट नो देन द ट्रांसफर इज हैपनिंग और नॉट हैपनिंग. So that piece of explain your thinking is very important in that task that you have written.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Rajshri ma'am. Ashwini Kulkarni ma'am, would you like to talk about your task? Okay, before we go to Ashwini ma'am, to everybody, okay, so those who have finished, to those, if before we go to Ashwini ma'am, जो राजश्री मैम ने अभी टास्क बताया, was it testing knowledge, was it testing skill, or was it also testing attitude? I will read that out to you. So the task was, your city is organizing an Indian Heritage and Handicrafts Festival. The organizers have noticed that most visitors prefer modern products and rarely appreciate traditional crafts. They have invited students to create an awareness campaign that convinces people why traditional hand fans deserve to be preserved and supported. Create a social media campaign or develop a 1-minute advertisement script. What do you think? Do you think is it testing knowledge, skill, or attitude also? Okay, yes, Bhavna ma'am, if you want to speak.
सर, नॉलेज टेस्ट हो सकता है अगर वो डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, बट एटीट्यूड के बारे में हम इसमें नहीं बता सकते कुछ भी.
क्यों नहीं बता सकते?
क्योंकि वो दोनों मिक्स है और हर एक बच्चा अलग अलग सोच सकता है, तो उस पे किसी एक को जज हम कैसे कर पाएंगे, ऐसा व्हाट आई फील.
Okay, anybody else? Yes, Rajshri ma'am.
Yes, sir. So upon what I would like to add upon what Bhavna ma'am said. So when, I know that there are some specific parameters when we assess them on performance task, but I think depending upon whatever they are researching, however they are, whatever they are, their end product is, we can definitely modify a bit the parameters, because if we look about the performance task and such kind of performance tasks, it's obviously perspective based, and specifically if I talk about advertisement script or some campaigns, it is students are going to perform as per their perspective. So I, as a teacher, I would rather accept that perspective and help them improve wherever they are going haywire or wherever they are confused. That is what I personally think, because English as a subject is also very perspective based. Advertisement is also something, a part of English wherein their task is to persuade. So I think perspective also plays a major role over there.
ओके ओके या आई थिंक जो आपने दिया वो अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस टास्क है. इट ऑल्सो includes some piece of attitude. The moment you ask their explanation of their thinking, you will be able to check whether attitude is a part of that or no, right? So that asking for that explanation is very, very important in that performance task. Yes, Pallavi ma'am.
Like you said, I was going to answer about that attitude can be checked in the given performance task, what ma'am has discussed about. And may I tell my performance tasks that I have little tweaked? It
Yeah,
was
go for it. Go for it.
it was regarding grade 8 about chapter resources and its uses. We have made a task that you are in research, like environment research researcher, and how you are going to make people aware about conserving the resources. Recently, there was a case in Nagpur regarding there were 60 to 63 mango trees were to be cut down for creating a sewer line. So I would like to tweak my performance task to why is it necessary that we should stop that trees being cut down for creating sewer line is also equally important, and trees are also equally important. So what your role as an environmentalist can be there, so that it won't be just theoretical knowledge, but what is the
Brilliant.
importance, practicality.
Very nice, lovely, lovely. So now with just that small tweak, you understand that going through, right? If a municipal commissioner is taking a decision, then they are going through that tension, and you are helping them evaluate that. That is where the attitude piece comes in. Brilliant, brilliant, very nice, lovely. Yes, Nandini ma'am.
Sir.
नमस्ते सर. परफॉर्मेंस टास्क में मैं एक टॉपिक कहना चाहूंगी जो ग्रेड 3 में है, दियों की असली रोशनी. तो दीपावली का त्योहार कुछ घरों में बहुत खुशियां देता है, वो मिठाइयाँ और बहुत सारे कपड़े और पटाखों के साथ मनाते हैं. लेकिन
नंदिनी मैम, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. क्लियर नहीं आ रही है आपकी आवाज.
नमस्ते. क्या
नहीं आ रही मुझे. आरती, आपको आ रही है आवाज नंदिनी मैम की?
नो सर, वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है उनकी.
Okay, we'll take somebody else. हाँ.
Praveen sir has raised his hand. Praveen sir, beta.
Yes, Praveen sir. Yes, Praveen sir.
सर, मैं राजेश्वरी मैम के परफॉर्मेंस टास्क के बारे में बोलूंगा कि उसमें स्किल भी आएगा जरूर, क्योंकि ऐड जब हम करेंगे 1 मिनट के लिए तो कम शब्दों में ज्यादा जानकारी, मनोरंजक जानकारी पूर्वक होना, ये इन सब बातों में स्किल जरूर आएगा. तो निश्चित रूप में स्किल के लिए भी उस परफॉर्मेंस टास्क के लिए विचार होना जरूरी है और हो रहा है. थैंक यू जी.
एनीबडी एल्स जो चाहता है कि उनके परफॉर्मेंस टास्क के बारे में बात करें, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. वी विल टेक अप 2 मोर. एनीवन हु वांट्स कि भाई उनके परफॉर्मेंस टास्क के बारे में बात करें, वी विल टेक अप 2 मोर. ओके, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉर पीपल जिन्होंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं बोला है इस सेशन में. Yes, Radhika ma'am, go for it.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind, sir. So it is mathematics. My task is applications of trigonometry, and I have chosen this because, in fact, this is one common. What will I say? Every time the children say the same thing, that why is it that we have to study mathematics when we do not use it anywhere? And mostly it's about trigonometry. You know, trigonometry, why should we learn all the ratios and that all? So here I have included, it will also include making of a clinometer. Okay, making of a clinometer that can be done in the school itself with the just help of a protector and a few string and a straw. That can be done, and then they can be taken maybe on the ground or any other places wherein they will actually use their clinometer that has been made to measure the height of any building or the trees in the school. So this will relate their knowledge also. I mean, they will be able to understand the practical application of it. And this is something, sir, I'll tell you, this I have practically done in my previous school, making the clinometer and using it to measure the heights also. So once they get to relate that, and also they'll know that this is being used not only by the civil engineers, contractors. So there it is already in use. So for surveying purpose also. So they could connect also, and they will themselves know the use of trigonometry in real life. So this was the performance task.
Okay. So to everybody, I want you to, I think Aarti ma'am has put the performance task up. Jo Radhika ma'am ne bola, take a minute, read, and then in the chat answer whether it is testing knowledge, whether it is testing knowledge and skill, or whether it is testing knowledge, skill, and attitude.
Attitude.
So you've understood this a little bit. So इन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस टास्क ये दिया है कि भाई कि आपको म्युनिसिपल के आप जूनियर इंजीनियर हो और आपको एक सर्वे रिपोर्ट बनानी है अपने सिटी में 3 से 5 बड़ी ट्री या बड़े बिल्डिंग का हाइट निकालना है using trigonometry. How will you do that? And you will submit a report, right? You will submit a report of 3 to 5 buildings. So what do you think? Is it testing knowledge? Is it testing skill? Or is it testing attitude also? Anyone? Okay, so you're typing in the chat or are we raising hands? Okay,
Sir, I think typing in the chat box has been
not available.
Disabled. Yeah,
oh,
we are
chat
not able
is
to
disabled. Okay. Swarali, can you look into that? Why this has happened? Okay. Anyways, ठीक है. Who wants to? I think Komal ma'am, you wanted to answer this, or is it your performance task you want to discuss?
Sir, it was about my performance task.
Okay. Anybody wants to answer this? कि ये knowledge है, skill है, attitude है, किस level पर है? Yes, Neha, go for it.
I think it definitely checks the knowledge part because they need to know the ratios, what to use and all. Skills as well because you need to estimate lot of things, what to make. So skills bhi hai. Attitude, I'm thinking maybe attitude I'm not very sure. Exactly.
Somebody said that attitude bhi hai. I want to bring that person in. I think Shreyasi, however, not attitude. Okay. Prajakta Shinde ma'am. Prajakta ma'am, you say that attitude bhi hai isme. Why do you think attitude hai?
So
as per my perspective, I feel that the child is also going to play a role uh, to uh, to plan uh, the construction that has been given. The task that has been given to the child. Probably the child would be able to play that role if he imagines himself in that role. Accordingly, the child will be working on those.
Okay, Rahul sir, आपका क्या thought है इसमें? You also say that attitude है उसमें.
जैन सर एटीट्यूड इसलिए होगा कि बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग द थ्योरी in our theory textbook the angles are only up to angles are specific like 30 45, but when we are going to measure by using clinometer जरूरी नहीं है कि एग्जैक्ट हमारे पास जो थ्योरी में पढ़ा गया वही एंगल आए, एंगल आगे पीछे भी होगा. तो बच्चे के अंदर एक पैशन होना चाहिए कि हाँ भाई सपोज दैट अगर 47.5 आ गया 10 के लिए वैल्यू आ गई तो उसको एनी हाउ एक खोजी प्रवृत्ति होनी चाहिए कि हाँ लॉग टेबल से या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल से उन क्वेश्चन पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू को खोज सके, तब जाकर के वो रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन होगा. और नॉलेज तो सर है ही, क्योंकि बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स उनको पता होने चाहिए. और स्किल ये है कि कभी कभी खींच हो जाएगी बच्चों को कि हाँ एंगल एग्जैक्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, कभी कोई पॉइंट हिल जा रहा है तो पेशेंसली वहां टिके रहे. इसलिए
वो भी एटीट्यूड है. अगर हिल रहा है बार बार करना है तो दैट इज एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ अ सर्वेयर.
हाँ वो काम टिके रहना है अपना
में होता है वैसा.
और कैलकुलेशन स्किल तो बहुत जरूरी है सर उसमें, वो इसमें आ ही रही है.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, ठीक है, बढ़िया. लेट्स गो टू वन मोर. सो वील टेक वन फ्रॉम कोमल मैम एंड देन वी विल क्लोज टुडेस डिस्कशन. यस कोमल मैम. Komal ma'am, are you there? Okay.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
Yeah, go for it.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Jai Hind, everyone. So, with respect to sir's suggestions, I've reframed one of the performance tasks we were on to right now. In Lava, we've finished theme 2. The chapter was nutrition. Components of food, healthy, mindful eating, where students are learning about mindful eating, about nutrients. So basically, the performance task was about creating a healthy canteen menu. So I have reframed the performance task that it becomes like instead of students simply creating a healthy menu, I gave them a task that they take on to they take a role of a nutrition consultant who is investigating the real problem in the canteen. And we are setting up a new canteen in the school, and we are asking them to frame the menu for the school canteen, where they're investigating the real problem, that what planning the children can do for the new canteen. They collect the evidences by observing the canteen, or they're surveying the students that what menu they wanted to be in that canteen. So they're basically analyzing the nutritional value of the food choices. Then they're designing the balanced diet every day. And then practically they are designing the menu with the scientific justification. So finally, when they are ready with their school canteen menu, they present their recommendation in the class, and we are the audience. The teachers and the students will be the audience. So here I feel there is a transfer of their classroom learning about nutrients, balanced diet, about the mindful eating which they've learned, to a real life situation where they will be the part of that canteen and they'll be eating the food of that canteen. So I believe this would be a transfer task for my students.
Okay, great. And do they also give an explanation why did they bring in that?
Yes. There will be a discussion in the class also, that why they've chosen that particular food item as a part of their canteen menu. Maybe there could be a debate also that this could be there or this could be there, depending on the children in the class. So,
great.
Yeah.
So you have to, whenever you're making a performance task or executing a performance task, you have to check for this. क्या कोई बच्चा जिसको पूरा नहीं समझ में आया, क्या वो भी इसको आंसर कर सकता है क्या? अगर हाँ वो आंसर कर सकता है, that means your performance task is not for transfer. अगर किसी बच्चे को न्यूट्रिशन नहीं समझ में आया और वो भी कैंटीन मेन्यू बना सकता है, जिस तरीके का आप मेन्यू मांग रहे हो, that means your performance task is not up for transfer. So आपका performance task और rubric वैसा होना चाहिए which is demanding them that it should show their understanding of nutrition in detail, right? So that becomes a good performance task. So even for trigonometry, if you feel that अगर बच्चा वो कर सकता है just by a formula को रट करके, then it's not a good performance task, right? So ये करना difficult क्यों है? I'll try and finish in the next 5 minutes. ये क्यों difficult है? क्योंकि जब आप ऐसे open performance task दोगे तो आपको बड़ा difficult होगा correction करना. It will be difficult for you to correct because you will get so many different answers, right? But for that to happen, what you can actually do is bring in your students. Students can correct each other's performance tasks, right? But for that to happen, what is needed is, if you look at this first, whole class assesses one anonymous sample together. Teacher facilitates it. That this aligns everyone's understanding of what, before individual peer review begins. अगर आप ये स्टेप नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप peer review अगर कर रहे हो, student review करा रहे हो, तो वो student review कभी भी high quality नहीं होगा. कभी भी आप बच्चों को एक दूसरे का पेपर चेक करने दे रहे हो without doing the first step, without doing this step, that is not going to be a high quality peer assessment. Always, whenever you're bringing in peer assessment, make sure that you do the calibration first, right? Like right now, what did we do? We did exactly this. We took one performance task and we assessed क्या वो knowledge, skill, attitude को meet कर रहा है. And why I did this? So that you can go back to your school and then do it for each other, right? So that is why this calibration is very, very important whenever we bring the class for peer assessment, right? Peer round 1 में, does this work meet the criteria? Student check against the rubric, right? And peer round 2 में, what one specific change would make this stronger? Force the assessor to understand the work deeply enough to improve it. This will allow even the peer students to think more deeply. बहुत बार इसमें प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है? जब स्टूडेंट्स को रूब्रिक ही नहीं समझ में आता, राइट? स्टूडेंट्स को रूब्रिक जब नहीं समझ में आता तो प्रॉब्लम आती है. सो ऑलवेज व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप, always make sure that you discuss the rubric and you co-create the rubric. रूब्रिक को जो आपने पहले दिया है उसको स्लाइटली 19-20 easier किया वर्ड को, that works. It should be in student friendly language so that students understand the rubric, right? Very, very important. I'm going a little bit fast so that we finish on time. But what will this take? So for the teacher, you need to design the task more deeper, right? Build a student readable rubric. Make sure that the rubric that you bring in is readable for students, right? Also for CC team members, request you to review every task, check for transfer. Are the task passing the transfer test? क्या कोई बच्चा बिना उस चैप्टर को पूरी तरीके से समझे, उस कॉन्सेप्ट को पूरी तरीके से समझे, फिर भी टास्क कर सकता है क्या सिर्फ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके? Then it's not a transfer task. For learning leaders, principal learners, when our teachers are trying to do this, they will sometimes need more time. They will sometimes need, our help and support to bring in people from outside, right? They will sometimes need this community network. They will sometimes need time structures. So we must be, flexible in bringing this in. Very, very important. Sometimes 40 minutes में, 45 minutes में ये एक बार में नहीं होगा. So we have two options. One option, we do it over 2 to 3 periods. थोड़ा सा homework, थोड़ा सा classwork mix करके कुछ करें. Option 2, extend your timetable. 2 period को साथ में लो. Request your learning leader, request your principal, take block periods. एक period को एडजस्ट कराओ किसी और के साथ, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विदाउट दिस गुड परफॉर्मेंस टास्क आप नहीं कर पाओगे कभी कभी. let your timetable का structure not hamper the learning of students, right? Very very important. So allow this flexibility to come in. So for example, for the first one, the task where student must negotiate the best deal with the on the carpet. How can a learning leader bring in a carpet contractor or a shopkeeper into the classroom, right? So we need to bring that in. That is very very important, right? तभी जाके बच्चे को समझेगा कि वो 10% मार्जिन ऐड करना पड़ता है, 10% डिस्काउंट मिलता है, तभी जाके समझेगा. Those are the attitudes that are needed, right, to operate in the real world. If we don't do that, तो ये बच्चे को कभी नहीं समझ में आने वाला है. वो खाली थियोरी में जो भी है समझने वाला है. Yeah, I think this is all I had. So looking forward to some very interesting performance tasks going ahead. And starting Monday, starting tomorrow, if you are a teacher, this is what I'm requesting you to do. If you are a CC team member, COE member, COE, then this is what I'm requesting you to do. If you are a learning leader or a principal learner, this is exactly what I'm requesting you to do. All right.
Yes, Robin.
Thank you. Over to you, Robin, Swarali. We can close.
Thank
We've overshot about 13 minutes. Sorry for that. Yes.
It was worth it, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. I mean, we could see the complete arc from what it is to what quality looks like, what all it should include, and then some execution challenges, which are practical challenges that we face during the live implementation. So thank you so much for the insightful session. And now we really hope that it gets translated into the classroom practice and we see the impact in terms of student progress and attainment during the lessons. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being so participative and joining the call. Thank you so much. The waterfall chat was lovely. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yes, and feedback form link is there in the chat box. Please give us your feedback.
I have shared all the performance tasks in a PDF, all those which were posted today in the Padlet.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Siddharth
ma'am.
sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kabir. Yeah, again, I have posted this feedback form link. Please open it and give us your feedback. And also, the CC Friday entry has been already added in EduNext as PD cell session CC Friday episode 128. It's already done. Thank you. Okay, again, 2 more minutes I'm waiting and then I'll be ending this call for everyone. Okay. So thank you so much. Let's end this call. Done, Smriti ma'am?
Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Vibhuti ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, yes.
Done my part also
Which
in the
one?
mail. Ma'am, regarding that